We need this corner reinforced soon.
Yes, ma'am. We'll start there first thing Monday.
Great, thank you. The lintel here is showing severe spalling and needs replacing.
Right, that's what I was afraid of. All right, push hard. On 3. 1, 2, 2. It's moving, keep going. Watch your step. We need to reinforce the roof and these upper windows. Got it. Looks like a big job. Okay, right here. Look at this rot. Oh. This whole section needs to be replaced. 8 feet, 6 3/8 inches.
Not ideal.
Yeah, we'll have to adjust the framing.
Okay.
The timber is completely rotted out here. Yes, I've noted the extent of the damage. The lintel over this window needs full replacement and the stone around it is failing a full replacement. All right, let's prioritize that section. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got it. Easy. Up a little more.
Watch your side.
Ready to swing it in.
Good. Keep it steady, watch your step.
Careful with that edge.
Almost there, just a little further. I've got this one. This one's pretty stuck. Just need to get the drape off first. Got mine. We need to reinforce the main beam here, right, and secure the scaffolding around the gable end. All right, together, steady, lift. right, ready? Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Slow, slow. Watch the base. Down, easy. Setting it, good.
We should focus on this upper banister.
Let's make sure the treads are perfect first.
Agreed, quality here is key. I think that's got it looking decent, Jess.
Yeah, good job. It's shining now. Wind's picking up, boss. Looks like rain.
Right, grab that top. Let's get it covered now.
Pull hard, it's heavy.
Up and over, hold it down.
I think that one goes there.
Yeah, right here.
Just mark it, we'll level it out.
All right, hold it steady.
Lift on my count.
Ready? Up, hold, chains connecting.
Okay, it's holding.
Looks good.
Looks good, the measurements hold up. Yes, that one sits perfectly. All right, slowly now. Down a little bit more. Watch the left side. Just right, set it down. All right, over here. Take it slow, watch your step. Perfect. Set it down. Good. Let's get the next one. Okay, a little more to the left. Got it.
Easy now.
Perfect. Set it down. I think if we move the wall here, we'll get more light. Less.
Yes, exactly.
Nice.
And the bathroom can go here.
Perfect. Let's mark that.
Let's try fitting it here. Okay, I'll see if the cut works. Wow, it's perfect. More beautiful than I imagined. Thank you. All right, looking good, we're on track.
Yes, sir. We'll have this wrapped up on time.
Looks good.
Yeah, we're making progress.
Almost ready.
The finish is exquisite.
Yes, it feels just right with the old stone.
We nailed it. The finish on the wood looks incredible.
Yes, exactly as we wanted. I just need to note the handle is secured.
Looks perfect.
Yeah, the varnish is exactly right. Wow, it's really coming together.
It's perfect. Exactly what we wanted.
And here's the kitchen, finally nearing completion.
Looking great.
Just the last few details now.
Look at the light coming through here.
It's exactly how we imagined it.